Linux distros in modern times run systemd. It's been controversial, but it is what it is. That's how things work. So this is a very useful thing to be aware of. If you're on a system without systemd, you probably know more than you probably don't need to be watching this video. You probably know all this stuff already. But in any case, so you can run systemctl list units all. This will list all systemd units, whether they're a service or not. So not super useful, but you can grep service. This will list all actual services on the system, whether they're running, dead, or whatever else. It lists all the services on the system. So that's one. And this would look a little bit neater and cleaner if I zoomed out, but you basically get the idea. So let's clear that out. And if you don't remember these, again, check the link in the description for a document you can use as a nice reference. So in any case, you can use systemctl status EngineX to query the EngineX service. There you go. Now we see the EngineX service. We can see, so systemctl status in the service name. So notice this is EngineX.service. You could specify it like .service. This is all service names look like that, but you don't have to. You can omit the .service and just type the name of it. You get systemd, high performance web server and reverse proxy. It's loaded, active and running, and so on and so forth. A bunch of information about the process and stuff like that. So that's good to check if a process is up and running, if it's actually working. The other thing you can do is you can say you can stop a service. So stop it, and it is prompting me for a password. All right, so I'm going to actually cancel that. So realistically, you should be using sudo for this, or just log in as root and run it as root. So sudo to systemctl stop EngineX. There we go, we stopped it. So if we check the status, it is inactive or dead, but it's still loaded. Now, if you wanted to disable this, you could disable it so that it won't start on startup. Disable EngineX. So if you want to enable it to make sure it starts up on boot and is always running, you can say enable EngineX. And if you want to start it back up, make sure it's started, start EngineX. If it's already running, you can still say start EngineX. Now, so that's how you enable, disable, stop, and start in status. So basically the systemctl commands to you put the command right in here. Stop, start, enable, disable, or status. Those are the important ones to remember. And so that's all I'm going to show you for systemctl and systemd servers and services for today. So hopefully you found this useful, if not just interesting. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, or any comments, questions, criticisms, anything you want to say. I want to hear it, but also definitely hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of other great tech content you just don't want to miss out on. So definitely hit the subscribe button. We do like coding, Linux, servers, hardware, software, electronics, networking, all sorts of great stuff, robots. Don't miss out on that. Definitely hit the subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube won't give you notifications when new videos get posted. And also check out the list of videos we've already published. We have a ton of great content out there already, so definitely check that out. And that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.